In this video, I'm going to show you how people are actually using Perplexity in their daily and professional lives by exploring real-world insights from the community. As I scroll through this discussion, I notice the first major use case is replacing traditional search engines, with one user stating it handles 95% of their searches due to its superior research capabilities. Another community member explains how they rely on the deep research feature as their primary decision-making tool for analyzing peer-reviewed studies. When the topic of accuracy comes up, the consensus seems to be that while earlier versions had some issues with hallucinations, newer models like Sonnet 3.1 have made the tool much more reliable for high-stakes research. I also see developers using it for code generation, though they wisely advise never to trust code you don't personally understand. For business purposes, users are leveraging it to track industry trends and discover new tools, essentially treating it like Google on steroids for their professional workflows. Some even use a hybrid approach, using Perplexity to gather verified data and then feeding that information into other AI models for creative tasks. Finally, I see it being used in specialized fields like law, where it helps analyze legal documents and generate research drafts in a fraction of the usual time. This tutorial highlights that Perplexity is more than just a search engine. It's a versatile assistant for a wide range of professional and personal tasks. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.